the clock to the winner of this bout. We are awaiting the result of this round for the judges' scorecards of how they score the fight, how they solve the fight. And here is the result of the three judges' scorecard. Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of amateur boxing, we have a winner by close split decision. Let's go! Next fight, prepare. Jono Molina versus Alden Etam Almudhir. Jono Molina versus Alden Etam Almudhir. Next fight. Davao City versus Alden Etam Almudhir. Representing JJAMMA Boxing Team Pagkakang Davao, the Oro. Once again, kami bersama dengan Community Sponsors of Boxing Event Tarong Mapu of Tarong Ibigin. Sponsors of Science Show, Davao Ultimate Challenge, Ilongin, Boxing Gym, Davao City Sports Association, and of course, the Box Competition. Ang kasalamatan, ang wala yung bukas yung mga ng Davao City Sports, ang partner, usap ang Davao Ultimate Challenge, ang matuwang Ilongin Boxing Gym, located at Tulip Bright, Manila, Davao City. Sa inyong unwavering support sa mga global boxing leagues sa Davao City, o sa tanan ng mga parents and academies, boxing fanatics, boxing fans, boxing officials, and of course, sa tanan. I-witness at mga boxing event na sabihin natin salamat. Salamat. And here we go. Let's proceed to the next round of the evening. Let's meet the fighter now. The fighter fighting out of the blue corner, representing JJAMMA Boxing Team Pagtukan Davao BO. Ladies and gentlemen, representing Alden Etam Almudhir. He's one across the ring right on the red corner, representing Ilongin Boxing Team Pagtukan Davao City, Jono Molina. They're fighting about the 8kg weight limit. They're carrying these bouts with J.R. Torrendo. Judges scoring at the ringside. National referee judge Roland Barato, Madam Flo Diaz, and Romel Bu. 3 rounds, 1 minute, 30 seconds per round, 1 minute per round. Okay? Okay, next call. Next call, the Indian Players versus Taliban. Hallelujah. 10 seconds. Time out. Time for the first round. Next call, please prepare. Virginio de los Reyes versus Taliban. Hallelujah. Seconds out. Okay, next call now, Mr. Virginio de los Reyes and Taliban Hallelujah. Second round, action. And seconds. Time out. Second out. This is third and final round. Molina versus Nagati. I'm looking at the blue. Molina in the red. Asalna. Oh, Okay. Wala pa kayo mga kamay dyan. Okay, certificate of participation and medal. To be given by our Okay, as we are awaiting the result of this round, let's read the result. And we decided the winner of this round will receive the to the winner. Winner by close split decision. Ray Porter. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations, Molina, Jolo Molina, winning by split decision. Very close. Congratulations once again. Okay. Next time, Virgilio de los Reyes against Sangkan Kabibuya. Referee of this bout is Roland Barato, National Referee Judge, and the judges scoring at ringside, Madame John Diaz, Romel Bukak, and J.R. Lorenzo. As well as Simon